This is a video on the operation of a kill switch on a mower. This is a pulse-jet mower, very common. And what happens with these mowers is the cables get rusted and owners leave them out in the rain, and then you've got to replace that cable, but that can be expensive, and so sometimes it just makes more sense to modify this and just make a hack where you can turn off the mower and then start it when you want to. And this video is going to show you the operation of the kill switch, and so you can see what's going on here. If you have this kind of mower, you have this little plastic cover, and I like to leave that on just for cosmetic reasons, but it doesn't have to be left on. And then because it's on, what I've done is I've drilled a little larger than a 1/4 inch hole, and this is just an old piece of pull cord here and a fuel line, and I've got flagging so that it's easy to spot, and you can say, okay, that's the kill switch. And so that's how it works. But what's going on underneath here, I'll show you how this is put together. And let me get this off. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you take that off, and what's underneath is the kill switch, and here's how it works. I've saved the cable end and then taken a piece of flexible wire and made a loop in it, and then run that flexible wire through the cable end, and then folded it back so you got some ears on it so there's good resistance. And then you take a small spring, which are available on the internet. You can get a bag of these for almost nothing. There's a circle on the end of each spring, a loop, and so you take that spring and double it up and put both loops through that wire, pinch the wire together, and then push the wire through there. And then you take your pull cord and put it through that hole, which of course is already there. And that is how this is going to operate. So you can see that the kill switch happens right here. That's when it grounds out. So when you pull this, the engine stops. It'll go up and quit. And then you let it go, and the spring takes it back, and then it's ready to start again. So that's how this operates, and I'll focus again on that so you can see. You take the spring, run the wire through both ends, then loop that spring around this piece on the mower, run your 1/4 inch pull cord through here, and then it's not going to slip off because the cord is going to keep that spring in place. And the way to keep this from pulling out, of course, is to just bend these ends of these wires back. So that's a very inexpensive way to do that.